Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Reggae singer Tony Tuff has died. The reggae and dancehall luminary passed away Saturday at the age of 69. His death was confirmed through a statement via his Facebook page, which partly reads, "It is with sadness and deep regret that we announce the passing of reggae legend Tony Tuff." Now, Tony, whose real name is Winston Morris, made a name for himself in dancehall during the early stages, while his daughter, Kena Skies, honored him in a separate statement, saying his legacy in music will always be remembered and his presence will be deeply missed. Her thoughts and prayers and support during this very difficult time would mean a lot to her family and her friends. So she's asking members of the public to keep the family in their prayers as they navigate this very difficult period of grief. Dave Matthews Band and Cher, among others, to be inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Sunday, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame announced their 2024 class of inductees during the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame night episode on American Idol. In the performer category, the inductees into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame were selected among nominees announced early this year and have created music whose originality, impact, and influence has changed the course of rock and roll. Now, Taylor Swift continues to create waves. According to Spotify, Taylor Swift's new album, The Tortured Poets Department, has broken the record for Spotify's most streamed album in a single day. The pop sensation also became the most streamed artist in a single day. Her highly anticipated project was released on Friday and boasts 31 tracks, in which the Swifties headmaster poured. 16 tracks dropped as scheduled at 5 a.m. UK time, but just a few hours later, the additional 15 songs were released, sending Swifties in a frenzy. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.